I am looking for the best credit card to apply for, so I did a bunch of research for you guys. You're gonna see exactly which card I'm gonna be going for, why I'm going for it, and how it fits into my overall strategy. I chose cards based on 3 factors that are epic, okay? They're really good. So the first factor is my 524 status. I don't want to apply for more than 5 cards in 24 months since I am not ready to break up with Chase. So we're gonna go ahead and get all the Chase cards out of the way. This is the ultimate strategy for the ultimate rewards points here. So the second factor that I'm looking for is the point currency of these credit cards. You know, I don't wanna just get a random credit card with terrible point currency, guys. I'm not trying to get a Disney credit card or something, you know? So what I'm looking for is practical, valuable points like Chase Ultimate Rewards points, Amex membership rewards points. I think you get the picture here. You know, there's certain cards like IHG or maybe like Southwest where it's on the fence of could be good, could be valuable points, but you know, I'm not trying to just get as many points as possible. I don't believe in hoarding points. I want to use them as fast as I can, and I don't want to just get some any old points because it's a good deal, you know? Okay, I take that back about Southwest. You'll see why later in the video. They're pretty good. All right, so the third factor is all of this has to come with a positive ROI. I don't want to just get a credit card, pay a huge annual fee, and not be able to get any of the credits back just because I got the sign-up bonus. I know a lot of people like to just apply for tons of credit cards and not really think about year 2. All these cards that I'm gonna be choosing are based on their year 2 value. So what I did here is I went to asksebi.com and I calculated every year 2 credit card value for me based on my personal spending, and that way I was able to determine if each card was a positive ROI. The baseline here is not just 0, it's what I would be earning if I were to be charging it to a 2x card. Cards like the Citi Double Cash, the Wells Fargo Active Cash, and maybe even the Venture X. So when I'm calculating this effective annual fee, I'm not just gonna be taking the maximum credits here. And with something like the Amex Gold, there's so many credits out there. There's no way I'm gonna come close to using all $1,500 worth of that. I don't change my spending habits to hit sign-up bonuses or even to use the credit cards. So just keep that in mind. All right, so getting into card number 1, we have the Chase Sapphire Preferred. All right, so for me, the Chase Sapphire Preferred's in a fragile situation. You'll see. I'm getting very close to 524, and I have to be a little bit careful when I apply for this card. I am already in the 48-month period for getting the sign-up bonus. I'm gonna have to wait till August 26th to get this credit card since I already had the bonus in August 2019. I'm gonna be really testing all the rules here. 524, I'm cutting it really close. 524 mostly applies to the month after you got the credit card. Let's say I opened a card September 15th, 2021, and we're coming up on 524 dropping off for that card. Well, it's not gonna be September 15th. It'll actually be October 1st, which is the next month after September. So I hope that makes a little bit of sense here. All right, the second card that I'm gonna be getting, it's very simple. It's just the Chase Ink Cash. So I unfortunately got the Chase Ink Unlimited, and well, I don't really care about 1.5% back since I'm not gonna be using the card for any business purchases like that, you know? One of the business purchases that I think I would actually use the card for is internet. And since internet technically is a business expense because we're on the internet right now, 5x back on the Chase Ink Cash would make a lot more sense than the Chase Ink Unlimited. I'll probably get that 75K bonus, but if there's another 90K bonus, you know, maybe I'll go for that one. All right, moving on to the next card. The number 3 card is the World of Hyatt card. Yeah, I'm getting the World of Hyatt. I have so many Chase Ultimate Rewards points that I want to use, and especially at Hyatt, I think Hyatt would be insanely sick. I actually hate this card because the bonus is so bad. I really want this card, but I did a calculation in my previous video and I only made 42,000 points off the sign-up bonus. 42,000 points is so small, okay? That's not a lot of points. And when I say 42,000 points, that is because their 30,000 point initial sign-up bonus I'll be able to hit, but the 2x back for 6 more months will generate around 12,000 points for me, so that's where I got the 42,000 point number. So recently, the Hilton Honors Surpass card has started to catch my eye, and I might actually put that in the number 3 spot. I'm just a little frustrated. I don't know which one to go for. I'm always juggling hotel credit cards because they're just not amazing, okay? There's no amazing hotel credit card, there's always a catch with one of these. I just can't figure out which card to go with here. Some of you guys have commented on my videos saying, pick a credit card and then you'll be into the hotel loyalty, and that is the best way. You just gotta pick one hotel loyalty, work really hard at that, and you're gonna get to the highest level doing that. Some things to consider is that the World of Hyatt is 524 dependent, while the Hilton Honor Surpass card is not, since it's an Amex card. I don't know if I will be in 524 or not. It's all kind of up in the air. I'm just gonna pick one, but as you know, I'm applying for the Chase Sapphire Preferred sometime in like November, maybe September. This will be like January, so it's still June right now, so I have a lot of time to decide. All right, the number 4 credit card here is a very good credit card, guys. I like it a lot. That is the Southwest Performance Business Card. Oh man, this card is good. With this card, you only pay a $199 annual fee, and you're gonna get 80,000 priority points. These 80,000 points are worth 1.5 cents per point across the entire board. And that means that the points are worth $1,200 on the sign-up bonus. This is a pretty simple sign-up bonus requirement too. You're only gonna have to spend $5,000 in 3 months, which I will be able to do with a little bit of help from Amazon gift cards. As you know, I just spent $6 grand on the Chase Ink Unlimited with the sign-up bonuses, and I'm not gonna lie, I have some leftover surplus Amazon gift card balance, but we're gonna work through that here since I'm not gonna be applying as much, and I'll be able to just, spend it out on my regular spending. And I use Amazon for groceries, guys, so this is pretty regular stuff. Since this card is a business card, it's also not gonna count to my 524. And now, one of the best parts about this card, besides the sign-up bonus, it also comes with Global Entry TSA Pre or Nexus. So I already have TSA Pre-Check from the Venture X, but I wanna get Nexus since that includes Global Entry. I just wanna speed run my way into the US. I am just blown away because this gets better. This $199 annual fee gets reduced to an effective annual fee of like $64. Let me explain. It comes with 9,000 anniversary points. So these are real Southwest points, just like the Venture X. Every year, you're gonna be gaining points. This is a 9,000 point anniversary bonus. I'm gonna do the math here. 9,000 times 1.5 is $135. That's where I got 64 from. It's 135 bucks for free, and the $199 annual fee makes it just $64. This is insane. I'm gonna get into how this card earns some points. It gets 4x back on Southwest, 3x back on Rapid Rewards hotel and car rentals, 2x back on transit, 2x back on social media and ads, 2x back on internet, phone, and cable bill, and 1x back on everything else. I think I'm just gonna apply for this card instead of the Chase Ink Cash. I don't really care for 5x back on internet. I want this card now. All right, so we're moving this card to number 2 and the Chase Ink Cash to number 4. All right, guys, this one is card number 5. And let me tell you, I don't know if I really wanna get it. The Amex Platinum is a $695 annual fee card with a ton of good credits, but let me get into that in a second. So it's gonna be late 2024 when I apply for the Amex Platinum, and I really do wanna get it, okay? I think it's a great card, all right? It's the best card out there pretty much. It's just hard for me to justify all the spending credits. I think I'm honestly falling for the hype factor here because it's the most prestigious credit card. It is made of metal, even though I have like 4 or 5 metal credit cards already. And it's the Amex Platinum, the best card in the world. Or that's what they say. So I actually think the best part about this card is getting it for the Centurion Lounge access. I was really hyped for Priority Pass, and unfortunately, every time I try to get in, they either turn me down because they're taking business class and first class because they're too full, or I look on the airport app for Priority Pass and there is no lounges. Even though I'm looking around in the airport and there's a lounge there, a lounge there, a lounge there, none of them are Priority Pass lounges, and I feel like I'm not doing anything with my Priority Pass. But I don't want to just get the Amex Platinum for the lounges. I mean, that's kind of a big price to pay. If I do go ahead and get this card, I gotta take a full look at the credits, make sure I can calculate everything out. So I actually use the Ask Sebi calculator here. And since I really don't know if I'm gonna be able to make a lot of value on year 2 with this card, I don't know if I'm actually gonna get it. So I think I'm just gonna leave this one out for now, maybe get it later, but I just don't know. All right, guys, if you wanna check out my strategy, watch this video here. It explains everything that I'm gonna be doing in depth. It'll show you everything about the cards that I'm going for this year and how I'm planning on hitting all the sign-up bonuses. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. As always, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys all have an excellent day. Bye.